What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So y'all see what we got going on, man. We about to go ahead and get the rear end knocked down and grumble down. Got my friend Rick over here. I'm tinkering on the hood right now. He getting the locks out the hood caps and gonna get it jacked up, get to work. Taking it apart is taking apart the fast part. Come apart real easy, but I'm gonna show y'all step by step. So y'all just stay tuned. I got a brand new creeper, so yeah, I told Rick we got a brand new creeper, man. He got rolling around on that old broke one, but the wheel. Had to get rid of that, y'all. Oh Lord. It don't matter what I'm trying to save for. These old things coming out of here, man. We got new, well, we got to say, now I got so many lugs, y'all, it ain't even funny. Gotta keep all of this, man. We got them baskets. What y'all see what I'm doing with them baskets? I'm telling you. Keep it OG factory. Don't nobody believe me though, man. Everybody, I keep telling, I was over there tell y'all telling everybody, I said, look man, I'm keeping this joker factory. Everybody still, so what you gonna do with the outside? Man, okay. I'm gonna paint it, man. I'm gonna paint it, they're gonna be it. Don't nobody believe it, though. I'm gonna paint these, man. Nah, I ain't. I should have painted them before they, well, ain't nobody gonna see them. I still like to have my rim clean in the back, so. We getting the tires. I'm getting the tires all while Rick jacking it up. Hold on. Yeah, go back up. We need to reposition them. Gotta sit on the edge. We got to make sure it's safety, man. You know the safety before we got it. We gotta go up some more. Let's see, y'all. It's up in the crooked. Alright, let's see. Sitting in that crevice right there. Alright. Here we go. All four on the ground. Y'all see that? Y'all see the tread right here? Ain't gonna last long. No, we got to test it. Woo! I need to change them. Goodness, brake draw. Y'all know all that coming, man. We're gonna get all that. I'm gonna go with these brakes. Now they're getting the works, but she gonna be fattened. So I'm gonna tell y'all the plan with this. I'm replacing everything, like they're gonna be a real sleeper. The rear end, man, the rear axle, everything gonna be done. I'm gonna go in there, sandblast it. I'm gonna sandblast it while it's in the car. No, actually I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out like I did Dolo. Treat it, paint it up, or have it powder coated, and then we gonna hit these brakes. This stuff here got to go. I'm gonna do everything. Gonna have nice suspension, coilover suspension. So we won't have shocks and springs. Well, we won't have the traditional shocks and springs. Trailing on, adjustable trailing. I'm gonna do all the front, everything. It's gonna have new 2022 suspension, but it's gonna look like it's gonna look. And when y'all see the color, y'all gonna lose it, I promise you. With the OG baskets, and watch what I'm gonna do with them. So I'm finna go get the other towel and we're gonna bust out the parts and get to it. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So I had to record, man. Rick be rolling so fast, boy. Look at him, man. I'm sorry I missed the footage, y'all. But hey, we got to talking, man. Then I was doing some. Oh yeah, it do got some good brake. They got a good brake. Man, yeah. Get a whole kit with it. Yeah, the brake good. We just gonna put some drones on there and paint them different now. Look a little decent. Shit, man, this man ain't playing, boy. Oh, we're finna get that stud installer too. Well, nah, he gonna set the carry up, man. This man doing the jump so quick. Oh, let me tell y'all something. I do got a true track. My boy King J asked. I got a true track. Yeah, I got a true track. And with a true track carry, you do not have to add additive. Y'all remember that. You don't have to add additive, man. Just all you need is 80-90. 80-90 gear oil. Non-synthetic though. No synthetic oil, just 80-90. That joker good to go. And I like the true track too, man. My first time trying one, I got it in. That's what I put in meat. So shoot, we ain't worried about it, fam. Throw some oil dry on it. So these old 26 spline coming up out of here. He already pretty much got the the new stuff set up. So they're probably gonna be the longer part of the process. And I ain't getting no. Hey, you brought some little paint stuff with you?
I want to say it's something in that kit.
Oh.
I think it's something.
Yeah, you gotta check the clearance on it still, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all up right there while he rolling, and we're gonna roll a time lapse. Alright, checking in, so got one of the axles out. I had compared to make sure everything is everything. 28, 26 spline, a whole lot beefier. That's why these right here, they'll throw themselves at you. That's what I call them, they'll throw themselves clean out. They'll come out and throw themselves at you. So, them 26s, man, we got these 28s. They'll take a screw in or a press in, man. I ain't even realize I had got these till I pulled them out the box. Screw in or press in, like I said, same length, G-body, direct replacement, forged steel. They just strong all the way around, man. They thicker, higher spline count, and they forged steel. So, Rick down there going in. What you got shaking, fam?
Trying to get this pin, get this bearing seat on this pin.
Okay.
So I can go in from the back with the carrier.
Oh yeah, man. He going in. He already got it empty, been clean and everything. So I guess I'm gonna roll a time lapse. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. So I was just checking the neural card. It looked a little funny, man, but they the same. So I'm finna use the stud installer. And let me tell y'all something. I never knew. I told y'all I don't cap, man. If I don't know it, I tell y'all. It probably because I always threw these away. But this what you use to hold the hubcap on. That's the lock, right? Without this, them wire hubcaps, boy, they'll take off. They're just secure them, make sure they don't go nowhere. They'll take off. So, you know, I put that right there. These lugs, like this, ring around. Got to have these, man. 3 of them. I got one. I had one extra, so I'm gonna have to. I ain't gonna have my hubcaps on right now, and I ain't driving this joke with no hubcaps on. I ain't driving it looking like that, man. She too pretty like that, so I gotta hunt these down.
So that air over with, ain't it?
Yo, we ain't driving. Yo, hey, we used to now. Hey, we'll take the hubcap clean off, white walls and black wheels, steel rim, man. But I got to have a hubcap, man. I'm that's why I be wearing my hat, y'all. This mosquito tear me to pieces. But I ain't driving that joke with no let me scoot back. I don't know if I'm in frame. I ain't driving with no hubcap, y'all. Y'all forget that. I'm gonna hunt them down. But they serve a purpose, man. That's why you got. And then the one that was on here, man, they rethreaded my what's name? Camera just look like it's all kind of which way. They rethreaded the stud, man, so I can't use none of these, but I got. That's why I keep this stuff. I buy extras and I don't never take it back because I know I'm gonna need it. So I happen to have enough lugs. But I need 5 of these though. I don't have but one that works. So I need 5. But we'll be able to put the wheels on, put the wheel back on, and set it on the ground. And then, you know, I can do that. I can do that without jacking it up. So the way they work, you push your lug through, set that on there, then you take your stud. And I mean, you can do that without this stud installer, but what this does is keep it from messing up the lug. Let's see, using the impact film. Yeah, let me grab it. What, the 3/4 on the door?
It's
Just zip these in right quick, y'all. Zip these in right quick. But y'all, I can say this. Y'all have something to look forward to when I get my hubcaps. When I get my hubcap back on, man, y'all can see some cutting up action. Oh, glory, I got to hold it. That joker hot. That joker hot. And that's how you do it. Woo! Just told y'all how you do it. And see, this right here push out too. Like it keep you it really do keep you from messing up your lug. Then you can just reuse that joker and repeat the process. So I'm gonna get these done, get these put in, and we're gonna keep rolling with it. Alright, y'all already knew it. It's dark, cause man, we don't start working till the evening. Y'all know every time we working on something, we get started on the evening. So I done had an adventure with these studs, cause one of my lugs, still, even with the installer, man, after about 3 of them, it get eaten in the thread. So I need 2 studs, and I still need lugs anyway, cause I gotta get those special lugs. But we just slid it in. Rick just checked the pattern, man. It hitting right, everything good. All the play, the clearances, everything cool. I got that axle out. I'm finna slide this one. I'm finna slide this one in. I gotta come take that out, and then we're gonna slide the other one in. And then we're gonna button this thing up, man. And I might not end this video. I might tune in for y'all tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna see what the minute look like. The minute's already straight. Then y'all have to wait. But yeah, I'm finna slide that axle in, throw some gloves on, man. I've been starting to clean stuff up, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. So y'all stay tuned. All right, checking in. So ties on. Just put the cover on and put the fluid. We're gonna get the fluid in there, and that'll wrap old Nana up. Y'all see she looking a little wild right now, man, cause I can't put the hubcaps on, which I could put them on now. Don't get me wrong, but like we were just joking about, man. You get to go on, boy. Them jokers will shoot up off of there. That one little lock, that lock to the extra security, man. So yeah, we just gotta take the plug out, put the fluid in there, and button it up. We can set on the ground. We can set on the ground, man. We crank her up, move back, move forward. She good. So yeah, we got some good minutes and stuff, man. So we're gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna turn y'all on. Well, I guess I'll give y'all the update tomorrow, man, cause it's getting dark. So I'll let y'all know next vlog on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Y'all will see what it hint like and all that, man. And hopefully I done got them right lugs, and I got to, like I said, get 2 studs tomorrow, which I knock them out and put them in, and shoot, she'll be ready to go. So that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.